Hi, this is Josh with MarineMax here in Huntington, New York. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2023 Sea Ray 310 SLX. This is the IO model. If we start in the aft, the first thing you're going to see is this has the full canvas package, which is fantastic for a day like today where it's a little cold outside. You get the isinglass up, you get the canvas up. Very comfortable in here. It's actually pretty warm, like a little sunhouse effect. This boat does have a submersible swim platform with your controls are back here, which makes it really cool if you're going to be hanging off on the swim platform. You can submerge one, makes easy boarding, great place to hang out. Continuing back here, it does have a side boarding step, so if you went to dinner or if you're docked on the side of the boat and you wanted to get in easily, you have this half step here, makes exiting and entering the boat very easy. This boat does have a fridge, comes with a sink, a nice little prep station here for entertaining. If you want to have wine or hors d'oeuvres, great little place to set up right here and enjoy. It does have the brown dune interior in the infinity woven vinyl. Great option. A lot of people enjoy this. It feels very good on your feet, easy to clean. Nice option for this boat. Moving forward, we're going to go to the port side. You do have your chair here, which will swivel completely around. So if you are entertaining back here and you wanted to join the party, as they say, that seat will spin around. Just gives you more seating to complete this L shape here. We do have a nice size head on this 31-foot boat. You can see Sea Ray's done a great job with the decorations in there. There's some nice finishes, really nice look, a lot of space if you need to use it. On the helm side, we have the joystick. Everybody loves joystick. It makes docking this boat, driving this boat super simple. Onboard VHF. You got two large Simrad multifunction display screens. So you can put your engine data up there, you can have your GPS map, everything you need right in front of you as you're driving. It makes it great. So move forward, it is an SLX, so you do have a very comfortable bow. The dune interior armrest, and at the very top we have a windlass anchor with a stainless steel anchor, or windlass with the stainless steel anchor. Very nice option as well. As we step back in here so you can hear me. If you have any other questions about this boat or any boat that we have here in inventory in Huntington, please give us a call. We can be reached at 631-424-2710. Ask for myself, Josh, or any of our sales team. Be happy to help. Thank you for joining me today.